Here's interesting app. You will need DMV practice test Genie. This is the app to prepare for your driver's exam. 600 plus exam-like questions, an exam simulator, everything you need to know all in one place. Car, CDL, motorcycle. You've got your back with instant feedback. Better understand raw situations. Stay motivated with real-time metrics. Be fully prepared in days, not weeks. So yeah, if you're ready to hit the road, but the idea of getting your permit or license makes your heart race and palms sweat, it should, because it's one of the most important steps you'll ever take. So it's a perfect app for anyone preparing for their car, CDL, or motorcycle knowledge exam. It's recommended by top driving schools, independent instructors, and even DMVs themselves. So yeah, our program is tailored to meet the specific requirements of each type of exam. And then you can just read it here. So it's quite convenient, just to practice like the theory on the go. While you're commuting, going somewhere, lying on the sofa, you can just quickly just use this app and repeat these questions for your exam. When is your exam? You can just set up the date, for example. And then you can get unlimited 30-day access, and then for 7 days it's $16, 30 days one-time fee, $30. Lifetime you can just also get for $50. So it's not that expensive. It's not a master subscription. It's just a one-time payment. And then that's basically the idea. And then you can just still skip, and you can get some limited practice tests as well. So yeah, that's what it is. So then you have some theory cheat sheets, then you have your exams, and yeah, so there you have it. And then also what's cool is that you have passing probability, percentage, your stats, challenge bank. All your missed questions will automatically added to challenge bank. And then the goal is to clear challenge bank and keep it empty at all times you study. Then you also have settings. It's also available in Spanish, by the way. And then you can just change the theme. If you like studying more than dark theme, there you have it. So that's about that. Hope it is helpful.